Mr. Family on do. Waiting me could call the media for talk something in there. We don't want to be a victim. Some of you don't be victims and we go for chat for them help. Some of you no go down there not be a victim. Mr. Family, I've had enough. Me say no, I've had enough. And not only one no more in this community. Beaucoup of you don't had enough. When I see this phone, Mr. Family, when I see this phone, will I turn them on? When I see this phone, Samsung X Galaxy 4 or Galaxy 15 or touch, I don't care. When I see this phone, Mr. Family, this phone. Now this phone don't give me everlasting sickness. Now this phone, Mr. Family, this phone, now it don't give me sickness. What's the sickness? Not to say, they say, wait, it don't give me, this phone don't give me sickness. When I watch this medicine, when I put it for fine. When I see this blue writing, I give me pen. Because I give me pen, you are waiting for me, that should be fine. Because I don't feel say. When I see this, Mr. Family, when I see this blue writing there, watch. Now my name Nandi. Mr. Hassan Kamal, say I'm clear. So now me medicine, this one they take Mr. Family. And they take doctor no prescribe this medicine for me. This wire, and they take them for the rest of my life. And they take one tablet every day till I go to my grave. But I stop them. You know what it make? Because of this phone. Galaxy S15, 35 or 50 or 60, 80, I don't care. This phone don't give me trouble. The only problem with this phone don't give me. Now this phone, all the African numbers in there. When I see them. Now this phone, all the African numbers in there. Look, I don't come on Galaxy S4 or Galaxy Note 15, I don't care. This phone, now they all the African numbers in there. Where one kill me. Mr. Family, you know what I tell you now? I know they smoke. I know they drink. I know the child cola for what born one day. I know one day it's a rat chef. A healthy they go to gym, but from when the African people get this number, Mr. Family, that one that's to doctor don't prescribe medicine for me for, and they take one tablet every day. If I not take this tablet here, Mr. Family, me had the born like I say, na electricity, na put on the gut because of this phone. I like the kaka. Or are they in a toilet, or are they under operation? Then they call this phone, send WhatsApp messages them. I want this, I want that, I want do, I want this. Me don't should not get one life again. Now this phone, now I didn't get in Africa. God make, say God thank you. Nobody in number, not in my head. All in at this phone here. But today, I will find medicine for myself. You know what you make? Now would you kill yourself? Do you follow this phone story? And they give the full story of what happened. Let you follow the full story. Not to me. If it happened to me, they happened to you. Follow this full story of this phone and me history behind this phone. Will not give me everlasting sickness. But the sickness you go done. Me brother, this sickness go done. Trust me. I promise you. Do ya? Africa referendum, I've been telling you now. Say the Africa referendum. If we will not sign out from the African problems, we go die now. They say 12 people and die now Holland. 12 people and die when they face that. Not of no party. African problem will kill me. Say we die now. 12 people and die inside 1 year. Me will make 13 because of this phone. All man they call. I want to. Even if you are under operation, then they call and say, you know what? Hey, brother, I want this. Uncle, I want this. This, I want this. Look, you see this phone? It's clear, eh? Nothing not happy with them. Now wait, today, African problem, then the field say, don't forget, follow this full story, and they go on Facebook, and they give a full story, and a telephone call with African person will tell you waiting don't happen. African issue them. If we will not sign out, Boku of we, they die in a year, we not get signed for go. When I see this phone, this. Oh, wait. When I see this phone in time done. This phone, watch out. This phone, see how? This phone, today, I mean, well, body this. This phone, I want to lead me in my grave. You see this phone? Oh, God, I don't want myself. Now, wait. When I feel same, me they can't die now for no problems then. When I see this phone, possible call again. You think say one call on this phone, call again. Call, look at Samsung S4, S15. I don't care. Battery, oh. Now when I get the number, now that make they call me, WhatsApp me, say, send this, send that, like a die now. Watch and call again, oh, you get the number? Call. I don't get your number. Now this phone me, brother, and they want to put me in my grave. African people. I like I dey under operation, so they call. then one this, then one and you don't know today. And they gave me well body. This medicine, I promise you now. This I know they take again. I give myself 1 month, me had the cold. Me brother, if I not take that medicine, it's out 2 or 3 days. Me had a burn like fire. The African when they call like I say, now we the cruise money in this country. With the suffer na ya and halak. Follow this full story. Go on my Facebook today, later or this week, and they give you a full story of everything. What would they go through in this country? No, talk to Africa. This Africa, if not sign out, me I don't sign out too. See the phone? Never broke this God. Don't win myself. Never broke him, but this, he don't done. You ready? He don't done. Follow this full story. Follow this full story. Do you follow this full story on my Facebook? Now Hassan Pakai Kamara. Hassan Pakai Kamara. P-A-K-A-I. Go on my Facebook later. Let you see the full story. This phone don't done. African problem. Me don't sign out. Do ya? No, not forget. Follow the full story. Now Hassan Pakai Kamara on my Facebook. God bless you now. No good for nobody for Africa. When I follow you. Talk to you later. Tata.